In this video I will give you some toppings idea. Hello everybody, welcome to Fabulous Pizza. Today I'm gonna bake a pizza inspired by a very famous Italian dish, which is pasta alla matriciana. You probably know already the main toppings of it. I will move them from the pasta and I will stick everything on top of my pizza. Let me make it quickly, and while I cook it I will tell you the special treatment I reserved to my toppings. There we go. I will start with some fresh mozzarella. And instead of tomato sauce, I will use this. I will tell you in a while what they are. Although I think it shows, it's pretty easy to see what we're talking about here. Then in the oven it goes. Now I can tell you something about the toppings. First of all, I put some regular fresh mozzarella, as I always do. Instead of tomato sauce, I used plenty of these. They are small San Marzano tomatoes, and I made them confit. It means I cooked them in the oven under 40 degrees for almost a couple of hours. You need to season them with salt and pepper, a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of sugar also. If you like, you can also add herbs. I didn't use any herbs because I wanted to be more faithful as possible. I wanted to be faithful to the original recipe. Now, guanciale looks like this. It's kind of a cured meat. So I cut 2 big slices, pretty fat and chunky. Then some sticks, and I cooked them in a skillet until they were crunchy. I chopped them roughly with my knife, and I ended up with this kind of crunchy crumbs I put on top. I missed a third ingredient besides the tomato and the guanciale, which I will put only after I will bake the pizza. I will add some pecorino cheese. I used a potato peeler just to shave from the big chunk of pecorino this kind of petals, shavings, call them as you wish. Oops. Let me check my pizza and I will come back in a second. There we go, pizza is ready. Well, it's not ready yet because I need to add my cheese. Now it's ready. Let me show it closely. Ah, nice, isn't it? Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Hopefully I provided you some inspiration today, and now for me it's time to cut this pizza and eat it. Ciao! I didn't use any herbs because I wanted to be faithful, more faithful as possible, as faithful as possible. Come di questo.